I am disgusted.
Swaglicious. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing my face, hi, what's up? My name is Nigerian. Please make sure to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, hi. I love you so much. I love you. I genuinely love you. I love you so much. Thank you for coming back. So today we have a challenge. It's a 5-month-old challenge, but it's still a challenge. It was originally done on TikTok, but I've seen some creators do it here on YouTube, and I wanted to, do it. This is the my friends draw my makeup challenge. My friend draws my makeup challenge. This is the my friends draw my makeup challenge. So I texted my friends and I gave them a blank picture of me to draw whatever they want me to do on it, and I got some interesting artwork. That's what we're going to call them, artwork. Before we begin, here are some of the artwork that I got. If you notice, I'm looking here at any point in the video, I'm looking at my computer. It's also my viewfinder and where I'm looking at the pictures. So the first one is by my friend Charisma. Very simple blue eyeshadow. He said the red is blush, and I have a dot on my forehead. Gorgeous. The next one is by Sydney. I don't have the words to express. I can feel the vibe that he was going for. Moving on. So the next one is by my friend Marvi. I think she went with purple because it's one of my favorite colors. Yeah. This is by my friend Jennifer. Really abstract, This one is by Jennifer's niece, Aliyah. It's really cute, actually, just really cute. I like it. It's cute. The next one is by Daniel. Okay. This is actually very well drawn. That out of all the boys, no offense to any other boy that participated in this, but out of all the boys, this is actually very detailed.
I am disgusted.
Whoever did this, I wish you the best in life. Oh yay! The thing is that I see the vision of where he was going to. Like, he had this euphoria vibes that he was going with, and it's so cute. This was done by my friend Osas. This is amazing. I hope that I can bring it to life. As I told them to draw the makeup looks, I also asked them whether I can say their name or not. That's why I'm mentioning people's names. But some people couldn't just answer yes. Some people gave me a list of names to mention. So here I go. This was done by Ella Ope Abeno, Louisa Hepzibah, Emanuela, aka Alien Head, River of Light, Swaglicious, Cool Cat, J. I can see the orange eyeshadow, the black eyeliner, the white under eye and black under eye too, and then the tears. The way she described it's really, I see her vision. Again, I'm just seeing everybody's vision. I see all your visions, and it's just for me to bring the vision to life, Giving me very much clown vibes, giving me very much Somi, who is the main of Sukuna from Jujutsu Kaisen, and also the realest ever. This was done by my sister. This is really cute. This is adorable, simple makeup that I can actually wear out. Really nice. It's really cute. Really nice. So those were some of the makeup looks that I got. If you want to see me recreate them, please keep on watching. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go from the ones that are easier to the ones that are harder. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing, speed up, speed up, show you what I'm doing, and then I'll show you the final look at the end. I already have my base on, so the first look I'm going to do is Danielle's look. It's pretty simple. It's one of the most simple ones that are there. Blue eyeshadow, red lips, period. So let's begin. So I'll do the other one off camera and I'll come back to you guys when I am done. So these are the two eyes done. Next I will do the lips. In the picture, the lips are red. I don't think that the red really suits the eye. What do you think? I tried my best. I think I did a good job in recreating it, but I don't think that the red lips really look as good as it does in the picture. If you think it looks nice, please tell me. Do you think that it looks nice? Please leave a comment down below telling me whether you think it looks nice or not, because I think it looks okay, but the lips, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I think that it looks okay. I think that it looks okay. I think it looks okay. I think it looks okay. I think it looks okay. Okay, so this makeup look done. Yeah. Ooh. Oosh. I'm going to take this off now. Going to put my base back on and come back to do the next look. So we're back again. I've taken off makeup, done my base again. It's time for the next look. The next look I'm going to do is the one by my friend Marvelous. I liked it because it was something I would normally do. The pigmentation is not showing well on camera, but it's very pigmented in real life. So what I'm going to do is just do the other eye off camera and come back and see whether it shows when both of them are on my eye. Okay, so I've run into a problem. It looks pink, but then in the camera it looks really dark purple. I don't know whether it's just the way I'm seeing it here, but it looks weird. It doesn't look the way it's actually looking here. But I'm just going to move on. This is as similar as I can get to the drawing, because I don't really have I don't have the lip color that is required, but I have something purple-ish. So this is my recreation of it. I think it's a pretty simple, pretty deep, dark look. I will clean this up, put my base, and I will come back to do the third one. Okay, so the next one I am doing is the look by Osas. I really liked it, so I'm going to do that. This took me 30 minutes to do. Honest to God, it's harder than it actually looks. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish the whole look at once, and I'll come to you guys when I've finished everything. This is by far my favorite makeup look I've ever done in my whole life. I love this so much. Osas, thank you. I think I did it well. I didn't use the red lips and I didn't do the mole because I felt like because of the eyes, if I put red lips, everything would just be too much. This makeup look, I'm just loving it so much. It looks Guys, are you seeing how it looks so nice? I don't want to take this off. Oh, yeah, this is this makeup look complete. I think I was able to do it well. So this makeup look complete. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Please subscribe. Like, I keep asking over and over again. I will like you people watch and you won't subscribe. Click that notification bell so you can get a notification from me every single time I upload a brand new video. Please tell me which one you liked the most. Tell me which one you liked the best. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.